How to hack Kahoot. The first things first is you should have at least a game pin. Now, this is just a testing specific games that I created myself. If you would like to join a specific game, then all I have to do is just the game pin. Now, once you already have the game pin, just copy it and then create a new tab and then just go to mem.rip/Kahoot /. Now, once you're here, just copy this game pin from the game that you would like to join and paste it here, and then click on enter. Now, you'll just have to choose any nickname. So let's try um, T101 and just click on OK Go. So we have successfully accessed the screen. Just you choose on any avatar or character that you would like. So for example, this one, click on done. And once you are successfully created a specific character, just go back and create another tab and go to this link right here. Go to this link right here, kahoot.club/play. Click on enter. So as you can see, we have successfully joined the specific game pin on using the Kahoot hack. Now on your third tab, you'll just have to go to kahoot.club/play/, and you'll just have to wait for this to load. And once you're here, just click on join game and copy the whole URL from the main game. Go back to the Kahoot Rocks, paste it, and continue. Now, once you have successfully pasted the URL from the main game, then you should be able to have a fully access on all the cheats and hacks for Kahoot. So that's it. That's how you can hack Kahoot.